My name is Olga Smola, and I'm professor of violin and chamber music at the School of Music of the University of Nebraska at Omaha. And welcome to our tutorials for All Help State Session for 2021. I would like to start with Amy Beach Symphony number 4, the finale. Pretty hard piece to play, if to be honest. I put some bowings and fingering in the music, which you will be able to find down below this video. And now I'll try to explain something what we can do here. So I really recommend to keep your bow on the string when you play in the very beginning. And also to make little accent in the beginning of the second bar on note D. This will help you to play easier straight through this bar, like this. And then do not forget to increase the amount of bow in order to make wonderful, beautiful crescendo. Not so many bow because it will be very fast, but an idea that you need to increase the amount of bow. Then beautiful melody goes here. I really recommend you to play in this place harmonics, because it's easier to play in tune and it will be sound pretty bright, and then it will be wonderful and nice to switch from this harmonics to first finger in the next bar. And then when you come to this note, be careful with the intonation. Play it slow when you will learn it, how to do, and then make microscopic pause, break, in order you switch the position of your left hand and move to another position. Then you go to the first position, and this is not very hard. Then when you come to this bar, I would recommend to play down, down, but without actually moving your bow. So be very economical with this B note in order you come to the position to play the next 8 notes in the right spot. Then you can play upper notes without, you don't need to play double steps, play just upper voice or down voice, depends on you, or depends on your place behind the stand. So then, keep the pressure of your bow stable when you play these slurs. Basically your right hand moves in half notes. So just keep it stable and smooth and feel your right hand movement with left hand fingering. In the last bar of the third line, pick up, I would recommend you to play first, second finger and then jump to the third position. This will be more stable than play first, and intonation will be more clean and sound will be more clear as well. I think these are, when you have the melody, martelé style, I would say, not like, not so light. The character is very dramatic, so be sure that they are heavy enough in order to achieve composer's goals. I hope it was helpful for you, and good luck. Have a good day.